vraiment minen sakam gesuɗo par ce que onon gonɗon te wuro ngo onon fena tan onon gone Facebook o hande son pini mbiyen Macky Sall janggo mbiyen Macky Sall yahay goone am oɗon jooɓe oɗon pena Ousmane Sonko ko peno.
That's not how to make money. You know, this is a shame. I'm telling you. When very young Senegalese people are here defending their country, sacrificing their money, while all of us could go right now make money. But we say no. We don't need that money today because of our country. We don't need that money today. We don't need that money, all of us today, because of our country, while all of you there for money. That's a shame. They're corrupting it for our money. The money which they should pay for more teachers, they should pay for more firefighters, more nurses, extra. But they're using that money to pay you guys. That's how we want Africa to continue like this.
No justice in Senegal, no democracy. This is a dictator. Macky Sall, dictator. Macky Sall, dictator. No justice in Senegal. Macky Sall, dictator.
Senegal, ande Macky Sall addi mon avion, Macky Sall addi autour à péage, ala fof ko wonnani mon. Kono oɗon goni oɗon pena tan. Bimami, année prochaine Macky Sall konko woni président mo gandanɗa Afrique ji fof konko woni président mon. Oɗon goni oɗon pena tan.
Our money, we respect you, but please, that's a mistake for today, but please do not do that next time. When somebody calls you and wants to pay you money, you can say no. It's not the right thing, no.
You are Senegal like you. You are Senegal like you. Like I do Senegal.
Yeah, that's the sound for sure.
I got Senegal eyes. You guys have nothing. What do you do for your country? Before you ask what your country is for you, you gotta do something about them. You guys have nothing to do for your country. When the government is selecting whoever is now, what's the guy doing
Nigeria to save lives! And Nigeria to save lives! And Nigeria to save lives! Referendum now! Yoruba nation now!
Yoruba nation is what we want. Yoruba nation is all we want. Yoruba nation is all we want. Yoruba nation is all we want.
They are terrorists. United Nations, do something. Your silence is killing us. Do something. Your silence is killing us. United Nations, do something. Your silence is killing us. Those are the heirs of our children. Our children are being killed in Nigeria. Those are the heirs of our students. Our students are being killed in Nigeria. And the world is silent. United Nations, Muhammadu Buhari is a terrorist. Muhammadu Buhari and his cabal are terrorists. United Nations, do something about them. Are they above the law? Sanction Muhammadu Buhari, the president of Nigeria. He is killing students.
All we're clamoring for is our referendum. Let my people go. Let my people go. Let my people go. We are asking, we are demanding, we are not begging. It is our right to have our own country. And Nigeria was amalgamated in 1914. The amalgamation expired in 2014. What are you scared about? The Fulani, what are you scared about? What are you scared about? Our name has been taken away from us. Our language has been taken away from us. Our history has been bastardized. Our people are getting killed every day. For what? For what? People supposed to have a liberty. People supposed to have a right to live, not a right to die.
The Beijing police is evil, but the government don't do anything. The China government is a liar. They never stop doing evil. They
people like me as the same experience, but the government don't do anything. I need justice.
Okay, so let's deal with this.
All right, say what you were ready to say.
Is it Russia's fault, China's fault, or climate change? Who can we blame? See, all you gotta do is spin the wheel and you can find out whose fault it is.
Well, that pretty much. Yeah, I get it. I get it. You know.